Problem 53. Alright, so part A asks for the null and alternate hypothesis. And these can be written as this. So H null is P1 minus P2 equals 0. H alternative is P1 minus P2 is less than 0. Now for this next part, we need to define some variables. And so P1 is going to be the sample proportion 1 for the new supplier, which is 0.27. The sample size for the new supplier is 150. The sample proportion for the old supplier is 0.08, and the sample size for the old supplier is 75. Now for the next part, we need to find the test statistic. So first you start with defining the hypothesized difference, which is 0. And then you use this equation, p hat equals total number of successes over n1 plus n2. So we plug in our numbers that we just defined into this equation, and we come out with p hat equals 0.1467. Now the next step of finding the test statistic is to find the standard deviation of the p hat 1 minus p hat 2. So you just plug everything into this equation right here, and it comes out with standard deviation of p hat 1 minus p hat 2 is 0.05. Now for the final part of this, you just have to plug everything that we just found into the test statistic formula, which is right here. So you do the p hat 1 minus p hat 2 minus the hypothesized difference over the standard deviation. And once you do that, it comes out to be 3.8. Now finally, for part C, we can use jump. So as you can see, I plugged in all of the values into this contingency table. And then after that, you can use the fit y by x function in jump and open the two sample test for proportion calculator, as you can see right here. Once this is open, you select yes for your response weight category of interest, since this is what we're looking for. And then you want to look at this red box right here for the less than value for our hypothesis test. And this gives us our small p-value of 0.02. Now for the conclusion, with our small p-value of 0.02, we reject the H null. The proportion of late orders with the new dough is less than the proportion of late orders with the old dough. And that's it.